Hi everyone, I hope you had a fabulous, well-rested weekend. It's week 6 of term 3. Our weekly packs are ready and I hope you have one in front of you by now. So, the very first thing you do when you get your weekly pack is write your name on your English, your maths, and your science. Okay, so you write your name when you look at the screen on the line, and let's look at our spelling for this week. Okay, I will read through the words and you can say it after me. The first word is paw, as in the dog has a paw. Yawn, as in ha. Claw, cow, owl, towel. Oops, cow appears twice. That should have been clown. On your list, it's clown. Gown, this, that. Moving on to our next worksheet. Okay, our page is now rotated the right way around. Let's see. So you've got a 3D shapes poem that I will read to you and you can read afterwards, okay? 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is like a building tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes here and there. 3D shapes everywhere. Okay, your ones, you can take different colored monomies or pencils or just your pencil and circle or color in all the 3D shapes you find in the home. Then we move on to our next activity. So for part A, you need to choose the odd one out. That means choose the one that doesn't fit in there, okay? It doesn't fit well. You need to choose the one that doesn't fit in well. I will read the first 10 words, rows for you. Okay, number 1, swan, swing, blue, swim, swap. Okay? Number 2, shop, sheep, ship, shell, brush. 3, skin, floor, sky, skirt, skip. Number 4, slow, down, slip, sleep, slug. Okay. 5, sweets, swim, sweep, plum, swallow. 6, smoke, white, smile, smell, small. 7, spoon, spot, glass, spade, spy. Number 8, stick, story, stable, stamp, drum. 9, sharp, shade, shut, shape, fruit. Number 10, snow, snap, sleep, snack, snake. Okay, so for part A of the activity, I'll give you a little hint. The odd one out here ones, the first letter of the word does not look like the rest of the words on your list. Okay, for example, when you look at the screen, number 1, swan, swing, blue, swim, swap. The odd one out is blue. So you can write it on the line on your worksheet. Part B, we're looking at the word right, which is, if you look on the screen, I'm pointing at it right as in your right hand, or right as in when you actually write, okay? So the first one, if you look at the screen, the one I'm pointing at is right as in your right hand, or you did the right thing. This one over here, if you look at the screen, I have the pointer around it, is right as in to write down, okay? I'll read the sentences for you. All you have to do for this activity is fill in the word right as in right hand, okay? Or right as in to write down. Do I turn or left? Pause the video and write in your answer. When you're done, you play the video again. Can I to you? The shop is in the middle of town. I, with my left hand, it is not to drop litter. Will you date the date, please? 7. Turn at the crossroads. A crossroad is a road that makes a cross like this. Okay, kind of like the one we have close to school. Number 8. I will a letter to you. Okay, then for part C of this activity, how many small words can you make from grasshopper? Okay, how many small words? I'll give you one example. Okay, you can make as many as you would like. Discuss with your mommy, discuss with your siblings. Okay, so you may only use the letters in the word grasshopper. So the first one I thought of is grass. That's already a word. Okay, a second word could be as. As or as. Okay, you can think of 4 other words. I've given you 2. You don't have to use it, but you are at liberty to use it should you choose to. Moving on. Okay, if you're seeing this, that means that you've completed your English and now you're going to start with your maths. So remember to write your name at the top of this worksheet. Then you open up on the first page, which reads Monday, and those are the worksheets you need to complete for today. Let's look at the properties of 3D shapes, okay? I will show you what everything means with a pointer, okay? Okay, year 1. So, properties of 3D shapes, year 1. So, a 3D shape has 3 dimensions, okay? It has the length, the width, meaning how wide and how high, okay? And a height. It is a shape with space inside or volume. It does not look like it's drawing. So, it's not a flat object, okay? So, properties of 3D shapes. Here we've got a cube. When you look at the screen year 1, I am now pointing at the cube, okay? So it has 6 faces, okay? The face is where the pointer is right now, and it has 8 vertices, okay? The vertices are the corners, okay? So this one over here, there's one over there. So I'm pointing at the vertices. There's one over there. There's one over there. Remember, a 3D shape, it's almost like, or a cube is like an ice cube, for example, okay? So it has 8 vertices, 8 corners. So you see there's one over there's one over there, one there, and one there, okay? Then we've got edges are 12. So this is an edge, okay? This is also an edge. This is also an edge. That's also an edge. Okay, so I've shown you what the face is, what the vertices are. These are vertices. Okay, and the edges, 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 edges. Okay, here we've got a sphere. It's round like a ball. We've got a cuboid. Okay, a cuboid is rectangular in shape. We've got a pyramid. Then we've got the cylinder, like a toilet roll. We've got a triangular prism. We've got a cone. And we've got a tetrahedron, which you don't have to know, but we've put it in there for you. Okay, once you've done that, you have to draw a line to match each object to the same figure. So for example, year one, this is a cube. You'll draw a line from this cube to that cube, okay? Then you've got another cube down here, so you draw another line to this cube. Please don't draw spaghetti looking lines, okay? Mine look like a little bit like spaghetti because I'm using the pointer on the computer, which isn't very steady. That's what you have to do for maths. Then you're done with maths. Let's move on to science. Okay, so you have to write your name on your science pack. Watch the videos and listen to me talk to you about the shadow. So here, these kids have made a shadow. Okay, so a shadow is made when an object blocks the light. Okay, so words you have to learn. Shadow. A shadow is caused, okay, by something blocking the light. I will use my cell phone to explain this just now. For instance, you must have a light in order to form a shadow. You might not see a shadow right now, but I'm just trying to show you that that's the light on my phone, and my hand will create a shadow down below on my counter table because the light cannot move through my hand, okay? Okay, so this is the video that you are supposed to watch for today, and that would have been all for all of your science for today. I've entered the link, and this is what it looks like. I will only show you a part, and that brings us to the end of our lessons for today. So after this, see you. Our little scout, Betsy, when she was walking through the park,